just came through. So let's let's have a recap of what I said in the past 24 hours and how accurate we were regarding everything, and then I will talk about what I think is gonna happen in the next few hours or on the weekend, how the price action is gonna be. So let's start it. How are you, G? You wanna hop on with me? So let me go to the 4 hour chart basically. So yeah. So I told you that there are like two levels. If you guys recall my past stream, which was after today, like today daily open, I went on stream to give you the market thoughts and best insight that can be possible. And I told you that there is like no good news for the market, and I think market is gonna go down, and then rest is the history. Then we knew today in the Asia and Europe session, and then once New York open, the late Europe session, we start reversing everything on that 4 hour close. After that, CZ tweeted, establish the bottom. Last stream we talk about that there are like two levels that I think bounce can come. One, I said watch 94.8, which was the blue line. I think bounce can come from here. If for any reason we are unable to bounce from 94.8, then I told you that 92.2k I'm gonna give you the bounce. And exactly 92.2k was the like peak or bottom, and I told you that 92k was the support to go long on BTC, since we have strong lows, and you always know that what however or whatever kind of a selling pressure we have, when you have like strong lows, especially on higher time frame like daily or on 4 hour, you just bid with stops like below the strong lows. Unfortunately, looking at the magnitude of sell off and the lack of capitulation pattern, so here is the thing: whenever I don't see the capitulation pattern form, and when we try to form the bottom in the ugliest way, I always struggle. Hence why today they form the bottom in the ugliest way. Like after this 4 hour red candle, we had the bearish FVG. Although we were reversing, but I was like, we can't engulf all of the PA, and we might reverse from the midpoint of the bearish FVG, but we indeed engulf full of the bearish imbalance, which I didn't expect it. So I was like unable to capture spot for the group. But nonetheless, I think we will get the second chance again, where we are gonna buy the spot this time, and we just pray that this time would be different. Um, what I think right now is price is just gonna do a range. Now the levels are very much different. I think 94.9k is absolutely for going long, and this is what I'm waiting for right now. If we get like 94.9, then I will start longing things on leverage, with of course stops like if price fully engulf and go back to like 92.7, then I will exit my leverage longs. Of course, I think most of the stops are gonna hit, but if you are flat like me, I think 94.9k is the area where I think most of the leverage longs are gonna open. Still I think we are not out of the woods. We I have like different, just like I had my reasoning in the last stream. I explained thoroughly why I think the more sell off is gonna come. I also have this the reasoning behind my thesis, which is that you can see on 1 hour time frame. If you see the BTC chart, you can see we have a supply zone from 97.2 till like 98.2. So I think this is a very big level for BTC to overcome. The more price is gonna trade below this supply zone. I think there might be a chance, that we just might go to like 90.5, 89 point. This is the dead end scenario where I think um, this is actually the bullish case. Like this would be the bull scenario that I would think of. I just don't want BTC to lose 90k. If we are gonna lose 90k, then I will have to rethink about, like, seriously, the price action. But I think until and unless we are under this supply zone, there could be a chance. Although I think this blue line is a very good area to open leverage long, since you can see we have a little bullish FVG on a BTC. But in case if price except below this blue line, I think this would be a pivot point for the bulls and bears. If price for somehow lose this blue line, I think we are due to fill my limit order around like 90.25 where we have POC, and just fill this wick fully, just like Tao did, to be honest. Also, in the last stream, I told you that there are like two coins that I think gonna bounce. Actually, three coins that I think gonna bounce hard, and I told you specifically, hype. You can see, I don't think so any coin have bounced the more, other than hype. I think hype was the coin that bounced more. I told you about ENA, that ENA gonna bounce so much hard, and I told you Tau, that the Tau recovery is gonna be insane. So these three coins, I was very much right. I wanted to, like, I was speculating for Chilga and Doge, but I was wrong on both of the coins. But the three coins out of the five for the selection was insane, which shows that the read is still perfect. Just a little execution, and we are gonna make so much profit. It's just that I think you also notice, like, some of the corners are silent, just like me. I think most of us are evaluating how the price action behaves from here. Also, one thing that I wanna, why I am not trading much on leverage is because we have strong high still on the BTC chart from where we just rejected. I think if HBJ was here with us, I think he would have shorted from 98k, to be honest. But although we had the V-shaped recovery, I just, something is very very little off for me, to be honest, to start buying so much. Although I am so much into Tau, and I just de-risk my position that I bought in profit as well, just to state, no larping, but just to state that I have de-risked much of my Tau position in profit as well, because I'm like not so much sure right now. I would be happily to rebuy again, since my entry is so much low. So it wouldn't hurt me, just to be on the same page with you guys. I want to talk about Tau. I think if they give me also, the thing is the RSI on much of the altcoins, this bounce was just that RSI just resetted and now rejecting from the 50 level. I think there might be a chance that you can see like 435 again on Tau, which is this green box. I think this green box is the key for Tau, for me to decide if I wanna keep my position. Any close below like 416. I I think if you guys are not in Tau, I think this is a great time to buy Tau, since you have a simple invalidation, which is if price is gonna close below like 416, you can just book your loss and then just re-enter around like 356 and 336, daily order block that you see here. So the update on Tau, update on BTC. Now let's come to total three. Yesterday I told you we were somewhere around, I think, yeah, we were here, and I told you that I think we are continuously making lower highs and we don't have any V-shaped recovery. Remember, on my stream yesterday, I told you that we didn't had any V-shaped recovery yet, which is very much concerning. And I think those POCs around like 830. So I think the bad luck with me happened on the total three chart like twice this month. I wanted to go long if you remember, if you remember when goat was around like 0.4, 0.52, and I was waiting for total 3 to test those POC so I can scale in spot. And then that was, and then goat went to like 0.8, 0.9 afterwards, and I think that reflects Aztecs and other people caught goat move. And at that time also the total 3 front run those POCs, and I just struggle. This is also a learning curve for me, which is that I have just journaled something in my journal, which is that next time when the total 3 is going to approach the POCs and the area that I have marked out, I will just not wait for the total 3 to exactly go to those POCs, and I will just front run those POC to start scaling spot, and then I will DCA. I wanted to do it here, but I was like, I wanted to be sure that this should be the bottom, but then they didn't give me the capitulation candle, and then they made it ugly, and then just a cope for me since I miss buying spot, but I still think I will get a second chance, so I don't have any FOMO right now. uh, why I think so that there could be a chance where I will get a new chance to scale in alts again very cheap. It's very much simple. Allow me to explain. So look, price is going down, right? Price is going down. We have a V-shaped recovery, right? We have a V-shaped recovery. Now, what you want to see is you want price to do a market structure break, right? And then hold this and then bounce and start making higher lows. This market structure is very much good. I'm sure you must have seen this pattern from the HBJ, from JDripstar, from Jelias as well, if you are from 2021. But if price went down, right, and then we had a V-shaped recovery, but then again we start making lower highs, lower lows, which means that this was just a local bottom, and price might just go down and start making lower highs on a bigger picture, let me delete those. So this is good and this is bad. Now look at the total 3 chart. So now look at the total 3 chart. We had the V-shape rally. Now we are at the judgment point, final dead end. Either we just flip this, do a market structure break, and I start longing things on leverage, or either we curl down, take out these POCs finally, where we just buy shit ton of spot, and then price again, do a double bottom kind of a structure. I don't know which scenario we are going to opt, but I do know that if price start making lower high, so basically the hours in coming, like the coming hours are very crucial, which are gonna tell us about about the direction we are. Let me read your question. What are the lows for ETH and what are ETH all-time high thoughts? Can you look at IO, ETH? I think lows are in now towards Christmas market should be. As I said, right now we are at the decision time. If price flips and do a market structure break, great. We are definitely gonna go to 1.08 trillion, and this was the bottom. If we start making lower highs, lower low from here, after that V-shaped recovery, we are gonna take those POCs again. Um, let's look at ETH. So for ETH, this is the point where it should get acceptance above. If price can take acceptance above like 3450, I think we are definitely due to go to like 3657. We had so much POC cluster here where Tariq and most of the people in Cryart uh, long ETH, and I think this is the POC where Tariq is also aiming to go long again. But I think each should, although even if it's bullish, I think it's very much logical. If RSI doesn't hold the 50 level, I think a retest to 3.3k might come, where I think I might be going long on some altcoins. This is what I think right now for the market. But did you like how perfect our read was yesterday stream? It was like on dot. Everything was on dot and perfect. I wish I made a post on BTC after that stream, but I was so much sleepy. I would have claimed my cloud for the Pico bottom on BTC. Fuck man. Somebody asked me to check. Oh yeah, we are gonna go on leverage long on this shitcoin hype. Just give me 25 again and I'm gonna call. I won't be pussy this time. I just want to go long on those POC since we have two bullish FVG, and I think this is a high hit rate setup that I can think of. We are gonna go on spot on low leverage since the invalidation is like 7%. So just so that people doesn't get fucked, we are gonna go long on 24.8, and then we are gonna DCA 23.5 and then stops like 22.8. This is what the next setup that I am eyeing for the group. Tau, I hope you bought a lot of spot, but as I said, when the price reached to 480, I have de-risked so much position because I have bought here, 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 everywhere. I just bought so much Tau, and I was like so much over position size that I can't afford to lose if price can curl down. So since my average entry is around like 440 or something, I just de-risk most around like 480 because I respect the risk management, and if price can somehow fall down to 377 so that I can have enough ammo to add Tau, but I will just keep buying Tau since I think it's an easy 3 to 4 5x for me and for my portfolio. I like the idea of going back down to close all the candle we create today look more healthy to me. What do you think? Yeah, I just said that if price start making lower lows, lower highs, ETH, I think since we have made this hourly demand zone from like 3200 3088, I think this is the order block now to work with. This is my thought right now. Hype, I already told you I'm gonna go long Tau. We talk about, yeah. I might be stupid, but I think this coin puffer. This coin can do good in midterm. Uh, I don't know, but I think this coin might do some crazy shit. And this coin I'm looking for entry for the group on spot as well. Thoughts on ENA and ENS? Oh, some guy, I don't know his name, but that guy is stuck badly on ENS. His entry is so much higher, like 41 or something. And we discussed we discussed that price is actually gonna come. I think that price is eventually gonna come down to test this midpoint of this 4-hour FVG. And if price comes back to test this 4-hour FVG around like 29.4, I think this is a must buy zone, must bounce zone for me. And since we have accepted back under the key SR level, I think price is just gonna do a ranging. And if price comes back to like 29.4, I think this is a bounce zone for me to go long on ENS. This is the only, so the black line I think is a good entry that I'm looking for. ENS, ENA, one of my favorite coin. We have the double FVG on 4-hour as well. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I always said that we are gonna go to like 1.35 midterm, which we did. And now I'm telling you that we are gonna go to $2 for ENA. ENA is fucking my bitch. 1.35, I think we are very much due. When we were literally here, I was literally shouting on my every stream that ENA is gonna go to like 1.35 in midterm. Looking at this trend, I think if price close above my blue line, which is 1.15, I think we are gonna test this POC maybe tomorrow, depending on the strength. But 1.42 is coming, and then it will depend if we actually start flipping the strong high, then the $2 is a very, very conservative target for ENA. ENA is a good coin. I've been chilling this coin since like 27 cents. Do you guys like my market inside? Just a random question. I just I just like to come on stream on like on awkward moment, you know, just to just for the member so they know what's going on. My trades are not up to the mark, I know, but you know I'm the fucking killer. When I will fucking run hot, I will fucking run hot. 0.9, 0.84. If you honestly ask me for the buy zone for ENA, 1.1, 1.08, since we have POC. Yeah, I don't think so. Price is gonna surpass 1.1, to be honest, since we have two FVG. But if you ask me where I would like to enter or on ENA, I think then it should be here. It should be here. You know what's funny? I fucking knew the top is in. I fucking knew the top is in. My uncle just DM me 2 days ago, just before the dump, and he told me that he bought MSTR. And he got completely wrecked, to be honest. I know he told me today that why MSTR. He has no knowledge regarding stocks. He doesn't know much regarding stocks. But I think he bought somewhere around like 414, and then we just down, and he's like so much underwater on this stock. And I said to him, just watch for like 370. If you don't see the 370 flip on the pre-market, just get rid of it and buy on those POC around like 2.7, 270, or maybe like 260, which is gonna make you cover your losses. But the moment he DM me to ask, I fucking knew that something is wrong. Um, it's very relaxing. First time I am getting this compliment from somebody. Do you guys have any questions? If not, then I will just go and look for some setups for the group. Any chart that you think you are stuck in. SUI remain the most bullish mid cap, mid high cap alt at the moment. Expect an upside move to $6 in the coming week if BTC hold and doesn't break 90K. Let's check SUI. You won't fucking believe, because still I don't fucking believe this shit. Still I don't fucking believe this shit. I don't know how many of you, tell me how many of you were here in 2022. Tell me who were here in our server or in the crypto industry in 2022. I just want to know, and then I will tell you something. Because I learned the most expensive lesson of my entire life, and I just want to share with you. It will be so much funny, I'll swear. I was in crypto 2020, being wrecked by Luna 2016, 2021. Okay, okay, okay. So you all were there when Sui launched, right? You have all seen Sui, right? So the moment, so the moment Sui launched, it was the first VC project in 2023. With the worst tokenomics, they launched this project. Everybody and their mom on CT was talking shit about Sui, that how it was the cash grab project from the VC, and the tokenomics is so much shit that VC are gonna nuke this project. And and I also believe that since a lot of smart people, like literally, I don't want to name, but literally everybody, you can ask Impulse someday and he's going to tell you the same thing, like how shitty this project was from the launch. And literally this shit from the launch nuked like 80%. This was the weakest coin of all 2023 year. Weakest coin. I haven't seen this much weakness. I just can't remember a coin this much weak with a good project. But worse tokenomics. But then the rally started, and now we are here. I am not in Sui from the beginning. I just missed whole the price action for the record. But this is like the learning curve for me, that if the project is good with the worst tokenomics, yes, it matters in the bear market, but in the bull market, the most scam coin are the coins that run the most. This is the learning of my past 4 years. Looking at this Sui chart, you can see the daily chart, how horrible the launch was, but then suddenly we pumped so much, and then we again we went to like zero point 0.4 since VC again started selling. And I don't know what changed in the fundamentals or something. I don't know what changed, but this is the most bullish coin right now at the moment. But coming back to the TA side, you can see right now price is under the strong high, and since price is under the strong high, the rejection is so much possible. Just like other coins, I think this coin can curl back down again. But if you are not on spot with Michelle and you ask me about the entry that I think can be a good entry for Sui, I think this green zone from like 4.2, 4.14 could be a good entry. Just take entry here, then DC at 3.7, and just wait for the $6 that Michelle just promised to the group. All depends on how these strong highs are gonna react, to be honest. Please talk all night, I will sleep like. Can you chat Woo? Yes, I can. This coin is the same chart as ETH. We are at the final point where if I wanna enter Woo, I just want a flip of 0.222 to do a market structure break from here. If Because if we don't flip this supply zone, I think price again curl back down, and these POCs that you think, I think most of the people, what most of the people are gonna do. You know what most of the people are gonna do, like me. We all wait for price to come back down to 0.194 when go long, set stops like below the lows that we made. I think most of the charts are like this, and every chart right now have the same 7% invalidation. Like let's say If you look at this chart, Tau take entry 427 and then have stops like 400. That's like 7% stop loss. Take example of any altcoin. I think most of them will have like 7% invalidation, and I think most of them are waiting for some dip so they can start longing things after that bottom formation. If you were in sui short, what would be your invalidation? If I was short on sui, my invalidation for sui should be above the strong high. Yeah, around like 2.61 or 2.62 just to be safe, because we have a simple. I don't think so sui is gonna flip this strong high, to be honest. If you're short, I think you should take TP around like 4.38, but keep your stops like 0.4.61 or something above the strong high, because if strong high gets defeated, your basically play got invalidated in my opinion. Where could you see it goes before nuke? I think price come back to 33.2k, 3200. I go long, set stop like 30, 96, $100 difference, and then I capture the move to like 4k. This is what my plan is right now for ETH. And I think Woods also posted the similar limit like 3257 or something. Also, if you look at the Michelle corner, why the people are leaving my stream? If you look at the Michelle corner, his last line was that expect an upside move to $6 in the coming week if 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 BTC holds and doesn't break 90k. So I think if I just focus on Michelle words, I think he is still not sure like me. Like I think he also have the same feeling like me that there is a if that BTC just hold the 90k and doesn't nuke more. And I think if I am feeling this way, it makes sense. Like a lot of people like Aztecs, John. I think most of the people might feel the same way. Where do you see ENA? We didn't get the level you wanted. ENA, no, we got the level I wanted, but I was very much pussy to bid all coins at that moment. But we got the level that we discussed. We we set the alert. You remember 0.8296 in the last stream? I told you my alerts are like 0.8296. We just front run those alerts and then bounce so much, so much, so fucking much. Like 40%. No, no, no. I wanted like 0.8296 where we had so much POC. I swear, this was such an easy long. I don't care if BTC was going 30k, 20k. If I saw my alerts going on, I would have given ENA at least. I would have taken chance on one coin because I can afford one stop loss a day. Yeah, Lux Algo smart money concept. Um, let's see if we can look. Woods just posted the same thing for what we discussed on ETH as well. His green box is my blue box, and he said that we have to flip the green box to go up, or we just lose to those POC, the 1 hour order block that we have on our chart around like 32k, 3.2k, and then here he is expecting the reclaim of the green box, right? So yeah, me and him have the same thought right now, which is good thing. Uh, I'm changing my screen for a moment. Thoughts on virtual? Oh, virtual is a coin on base chain, like the main product of the base chain. This coin got so much traction. I don't know. Um, and bounce so fucking hard from this OB. I think Price might test like at least this POC. Let's see if Price can flip those POC. I'm awake. I think I'm gonna trade on leverage after daily close when I see um new coin list on my you remember we talk about this move trade in my last stream. Should have fucking sent that trade, to be honest. We were like here, and I think it did like 14% after I went off from my stream yesterday. This was perfect as well. Bonk is so much strong. Morpho is very much strong. Cow, but this is a shit coin. No, I won't trade this coin. Deep tie. I will get a new list after daily close here. And when I'm gonna get a new list, I think I'm gonna send so many leverage trades. And I think it's time for us. It's time for us. So for the guy who was asking for me for virtual, I hope I answered you. Let's move to the screen so we can see what top gainers are right now. Bonk, Tai, Hype, Hippo, Mother, Virtual CHR, 1000K, Goat. Interesting. So yeah, pretty much what we talk about. AIXBT. What the fuck is this shitcoin? Oh wow. This coin, I think we. Oh yeah, it's on future as well. And I think it just got listed few hours ago. And could be the coin that we can play with right now. Funding is too much positive, but um I think we can play this shit coin, to be honest. I just want price. Oh yeah, yeah, this coin is gonna blow the fuck away. I think we can fucking go long on this shit coin, make some fucking money. What do you think, guys? What do you think? But it's such a shit coin, such a shit coin that I just don't know. Stops are so fucking wide. I think we. I'm looking at the funding heat map and the color is dark blue for Ine. Is that because it's spot and not perpetual? I will come back to your question. Just give me a minute because I am interested in this coin for the leverage long, but I am not sure so much. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Oh yeah, the 1 minute is rejecting. I don't think so. I'm gonna take it. But, 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 if this shitcoin come and test this green zone, I think RSI will be at 50 level, and since we have strong lows, we have a clear. What is this coin is about? Anybody have any idea? I don't know what this shitcoin is, but what's the market cap of this coin? Let me check. Because Binance lists so many AI agent in Twitter. Oh, it's a meme coin. It's Soul meme coin. I swear Binance is so much greedy. They just list anything these days. Anything. Oh wow, now it's making bear divs on 1 minute. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I'm just preventing myself not to trade, and then somehow they fucking present me with some setup in front of my eyes, then I get greedy and I get chopped out. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Fuck. Shit. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. It posts crypto market info all day on Twitter. It's actually pretty cool. Oh yeah, it should be pretty cool because they fucking got the Binance listing. The team for sure made it in their life. They made it because their product went to the Binance. But I think this is the coin that I'm gonna focus mostly. Do you know what is the market cap for this shit coin? Why it's not moving? Oh yeah, it does. AXBT by virtuals. Oh wow, 295 million market cap it has. So not a bad find to be honest. Oh, we should have went. We should have went. We should have went long. Oh fuck. Let's see if we can find some dip on this coin, and this would be the first. This would be the first coin that I think. The same way I found the move so early, and I was so fucking pussy that I didn't send that long, and literally did like 70% in a day on leverage. So now I just wanna try everything from my idea. Oh, bear devs are getting confirmed on this coin. OMG, OMG, OMG. Fuck. Um, nice. Very nice price action. Very nice. For sure, I'm trading this coin today. Let's see if we can find the retest. Can you go through GOAT again? Yeah, I can. I can. But at the same time, the part of me wanna ape here. The part of me wanna ape here, but I think price's action is very much choppy, so I will just not do it. But could be a morpho kind of a coin where it just go up, 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 up. But if this 1 minute candle somehow reclaim the green box, then I think it's gonna fucking send. If some, oh wow, they are not letting it dip. They are not letting it dip somehow. Somehow, fuck man. I think I need to put AIXBT to my name. I have no idea if they are good, but since you're looking at, oh, this is a trending coin. I also don't know what this shit coin. You people just told me about this coin. To be honest, I don't know. But it was trending on the terminal at the top with the move, which just gave me, which just made me aware about this coin. Goat, very interesting chart. Let's look at the daily. I think AI agent narrative gonna be booming again, and I don't think so. This hype is gonna fade away. But I think if price can reclaim 0.53 as we speak on a stream, I think this would be the sign that this is the deviation. So this deviation, look at the price action in the past, right? Price confirm the demand. This is where initially we bought goat spot. I don't know if you remember. And we just exited somewhere near here as I was fucking stupid. But somehow this could be the deviation if price can somehow get back up of the demand zone and just do consolidation, and then I think but I think 1.05 should come for goat easily in a midterm. This is my thought, but I will call spot position only when I see price taking acceptance above the green box. Right now, my attention is. I don't think so. We are gonna get the retest. They just want to send this shit going to the moon. Should have aped. Should have aped. If somehow 5 minute candle close above this green box, I think I'm gonna do a market buy. I think they just wanna fill this inefficiency, which is like 5 to 6%. But since it's a new coin, some cunt can start selling this as soon as I enter, maybe. So little confusing for me. But for sure, this coin, since it's just very awful timing for this project to get listed on Binance. Uh, chill guy, chill guy, one of my favorite coin. But since um tomorrow would be very interesting for coins like chill guy, FWOG. You know why? Because if you see the daily candle, if you see the daily or 2 day candle, you can see how we are trying to make a bullish pin bar kind of a candle. I think if this candle close like a bullish pin bar, then I think we have a easy invalidation of like 20% on this chill guy. We can just DCA and keep DCAing and pray that price doesn't go again to 0.14, and I think we can secure like 200% on chill guy. But it's gonna take some time to form a bottom on a chart that looks like this. But if, let's say, I am interested in chill guy spot, to be honest. If they just close above like 0.197, let's get in on chill guy train. Wow, 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 fuck. Chilga and FWG, yeah, both of the coins should do once market if market gives you the relief for alls. I think chill guy would be the coin that's gonna do the most move. Mark my words. But 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 the setup. I just want this daily close as a bullish pin bar. We can take entry here, take stop loss like here, and look at the RR like a 10 RR setup. This is, and I think we can capture like 3x on chill guy if market sustain. I'm telling you, the coming hours are like very crucial. You just don't want to see RSI curling down and price to reject again. Oh fuck, man. I I don't think so we're gonna get this tip. But I do know if I'm gonna enter, some motherfucker will start selling. Let's see. I have this coin on my radar. I think we can go long. I was just I just came here to give some market thoughts, which I think since you guys pay so much, it's very necessary for the corners to come live to show you what is the scenario right now. So basically, total three. I still think 962 billion is the big number to flip. If not, we just curl down. First support 884, and then the second support I think 836, which is gonna get retested. Uh, this is my thoughts regarding, and then also will take. I don't know if they are gonna revisit the lows, but they are gonna take some hit. BTC, same thought. This was the support which I told you. It indeed gave a little bounce. But unless we don't flip this blue zone, I think price can curl down back to fill my limit order around like 90k. Oh fuck, fuck, fuck. No. Oh my god, man. I'm so much tired. But I will catch this shit coin for the group. Uh, what are you sending me? Is it the contract address for some shit coin? BTCD 269. 69. Uh, literally we could have entered like here. If I was not so much pussy, we could have earned like 5.5 in like a 20 minutes. The read is so much perfect always. It's just I just doubt my skills. What are you saying? You entered NDZ. Please make it risk free, or you gonna give me a heart attack. I swear, if I would have entered for the group, some motherfucker would have sold on me. I know my luck these days. I think I need to go to priest, confess my sins, take the holy water, some shit. That's what I told Carlo today. You know the funny story? So I told him to go and follow Eli, you know. And he was like, I am losing so much. Whichever trade I enter, hit stop loss, blah blah blah. And I was like, if you wanna check your curse, go and just follow Eli. And he said, okay, I'm gonna take all setups from Eli. And then I told him that, oh fuck, Eli, Eli is getting fucked in coming days. And since then, he's just, every day, just Carlo just DM me, fuck, I am so much cursed that even Eli is taking stop losses. And I was like, yeah, you need to go to priest and confess your sins. Badger may be breaking POCs at the moment. I I haven't looked at Badger since a year or maybe more, but yeah, very much strong at the moment. Badger, I think, yeah, breaking the POCs, but could be a good shot from here. This is a big level, like 3.41 is a big level to flip for Badger, but all eyes on this shit coin. Okay, okay, fuck this coin. I'm not watching this coin anymore. Uh, but I'm sure I'm gonna find something nice for the group. Just need like few wins to get into the hot cake, and all right, guys. Have a good day. I just came here for the little stream. Just have a good day. I will just make some post inside my corner for my thought process and what should be the operation from here. Oh wow. Oh wow. This coin, I don't think so. They are just stopping at any moment. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. Have a good day.